everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today we're going to do a little bit of work on our January block for Botanical Beauties, which is being run by Corrine and SUSANNA. If you haven't yet joined our new Facebook group, the link for that's down below. And everybody is sharing such beautiful, beautiful pieces that they've been working on, not just for this project, but whatever they're stitching on, and the inspiration is just incredible. So this is our second to last video for this month for the Pansy block, and then next week I will show how I put it all together and attach it to my quilting hanger. But today we are going to do a little bit of work in the petals. I've been putting this off and putting it off because I don't really know how to do it, but I've done it once before and I'm just not very good at it. So I've been procrastinating and not wanting to do it. So these are the three colours that I've pulled for these two flowers, and then I'll get some more for those two. But I thought we will dive in and have a go. So I'm looking forward to next week to putting it all together. But this one sort of scared me a little bit, so I've been not wanting to do it, but I think we will use maybe one thread, make it quite delicate. Well, we'll try. We will try. Yeah. A little needle there, that one. Pull that out. So I know that we do it in a series of long and short stitches. We will have a go. And see what happens. Just work our way all the way around. And just filling it in. Okay, right, we're getting there. We're getting this. What I will do is I will pause the video here. I will carry on putting all my stitches in, and when we come back I'll show you where I'm up to and what we're going to do next. Okay, won't be long. Okay, so I've gone ahead and filled in those 2 petals there, and I think I quite like it. Let me zoom you down a bit easier to see them. So I'm liking how those are looking, and then I'm just going to go in with a second colour around that part of the top of the petal and do the other ones, and then the blue one up there, and then we'll see where we're at. So when we come back next week, this will be finished, and I will be putting it all together on the on the backing piece with the quilting hanger. So thank you very much for watching. It's a very quick one today, and we will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.